In this video, I'll show you how to import your photograph into the magazine template and then digitally manipulate the copy to make the head look like it's over the top title. In Photoshop, do a File, Place Embedded. We're going to get that photo and put it in the magazine cover. Find your image on the desktop and press the button Place. Now my image is a little small, so I'm going to do a Command T to transform. I'm going to drag the top right up and the bottom left down. And then I'm going to move my head down a little bit so that the top of my head is at the bottom of the word photograph. Let's press return. See how the head is on the left side and the articles are on the right side? We have balance here with the rule of thirds. Now we're going to remove the bottom of the word photograph to make it look like the head is in front of the text. Click on the photograph layer and do a Command J to duplicate that layer. And then take this layer and drag it to the top. Next, we'll go to the Properties panel and we're going to click on the Remove Background button. If you don't have the Properties panel out, go to Windows, Properties. Let's click that button. When I did that, it removed everything around the person right here. But we still have this photo down here to fill in areas that are missing. See that? And then when we put the copy layer on, the copy layer is between those two photos. But now we can't see the UPC barcode and the subtitle on the bottom left. So this is what I want you to do. Get the rectangular marquee tool and select the bottom of the magazine. Make sure you're on the copy layer. Do a Command J to duplicate that. And then take this layer and drag it to the top. Turn on the photo with the mask on it. And now you have that new layer at the top. Then you have this image right here over the word photograph. So it's almost like a cake, where this is the bottom of the cake and this is the top layer of the cake. We've got great contrast in this design, and we have depth in the design from the words being on top of the person and then the person's head over the text on the top. Now it's your turn.